Well, today I am unboxing Nail Sugar's new goodies. These are the springtime glitters and decals. So here I am just opening the box, which is beautifully packaged with a nice little thank you for your order sticker. So just opening that up there. Take it out of the box. Lots of new goodies. Make sure you go check them out. This isn't my code, but you can use NatMug10 for 10% off your order. Nice free lollipop. I'll have that later. This is in real time, so I do apologise. These are gorgeous holographic hearts. They are beautiful. I do apologise if you could hear my belly then. I've just had my tea. These are a pot of Latte Love nail confetti shapes. So you get little cups and little bits and bobs in there. Next up is Rosebud. It's so pretty. Rosebud is a soft rose pink fine glitter, perfect for sugaring. These are just absolutely stunning. Some different shades. These are iridescent and pearlescent multi-cut glitter mixes. These are gorgeous little iridescent butterflies. You get absolutely loads in these pots, by the way, so you do get a lot for your money. I think they're really fair prices. These decals are absolutely stunning. They're so pretty. Now for the Candyland glitter collection. 7 beautiful multi-mix iridescent glitters in a variety of colours, which there is peach sorbet. This is so pretty. And we've got lemon drop. Marshmallow sprinkles. We've had a couple of these before. Parma violet. Nice lilac. So sparkly. I hope the camera's picking it up alright. Blueberry bonbon. My fave. Always has been. Always will. Saying that, I do like any blues, teals or anything like that. Lime lollipop. Now, I'm not really a green fan, but I like this shade, and I like the emerald and vanilla frosting. Absolutely gorgeous. Just hopefully you can see it sparkling. And that's all for today. So here's some pictures for you to look at. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. I'll see you in my next one.